Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be smashing this vintage lifesaver smoke alarm that I found dumped in the forest. As you can see, it's pretty yellow and destroyed. There's a date on it somewhere on the side. It said 1997. And yeah, as you can see, here's the model number. As you can see, it says lifesaver right there. And it also says that it needs a 9-volt battery to work. As you can see, one 9-volt battery. Unfortunately, don't have any 9-volt batteries, so I won't be able to test it. Yeah, just gonna be smashing it now. Since it's got no batteries to test it with, might as well skip right to the destruction. Oh, I can't test it anymore. It's already broken. And also the button's really yellow to gross. Some other weird liquid on it. Ugh. I'll wash my hands after this. Come on, I want to test it. It would sit there. I want to test it. Maybe a change of tools will help. Also guys, I found it dumped in a box in the forest. There was a box with a bunch of rubbish in it, and this was in it. Just a box with a bunch of like metal tin containers, and this was also in it. It did have the back cover onto this, but it was just a big hunk of plastic, and it was super gross. It had more like stains in it, so I only took this piece to smash because the back cover was basically like, it was just basically like a big piece of plastic really. But yeah, enough talking, let's just start smashing this. Oh no! Got destroyed. Not the vintage smoke alarm. It's probably worth trillions because it's vintage. God, how brittle is this? Man, it's so cheap. Oh, my hand wasn't in the way. Probably was. Man, just making a big old mess. It shatters so easily. Still plastic. Except for this random metal piece. Nice and bent. Here's the inside for you guys. There's a sticker on the circuit board that says OK. And there's this thing, don't know what the hell that is. It looks like some weird plastic thing. This thing for the battery. It's basically all the tech that's in it, just a circuit board, wires, and this thing. And there's a sticker saying OK on it. Let's turn this on. Where's the on button? Twist? You twist it? Yeah, let's just smash it. Send the podium. Sit on your podium. Shut up. Oh, how brittle. That's cheap. Sorry guys, I haven't posted a video in a while. Again, there's not many items to smash. Plastic thing. Finally found something dumped finally so they can smash it. Sit up there. Man. The circuit board's still not damaged. Huh, that's actually really durable. I'm quite surprised. Maybe I just need to hit it even harder. It's broken now. This wood is so annoying to set up. Suppress the circuit board's not even broken yet. Is that broken now? towards me. Luckily I'm wearing glasses, so it won't hurt me. Sit there, stupid wood. That's the end of that thing. Bye guys.